Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today we're going to be showing our garden of 2026, and my beautiful wife, Mrs. Easy Prepper 101, is going to take you through everything we're doing this year. We've actually changed some things up, got rid of one, and we've added some. So hopefully you guys enjoy.
All right, so in our first box, this used to be our baby pumpkin box, and I decided to do eggplant in this one this year. As you can see, I've got one over there that's not looking so hot, but the rest of them are looking good. I just got done watering them, and it's been a pretty hot day today. It's been upper 80s. So I have 6 eggplants in here. And in our second raised bed box, I have got our straight neck summer squash. And as you can see, that guy not looking so hot. So I'm probably going to have to get a new one for there. But the rest of them are looking pretty good. In our third box, I have got our zucchinis. I have 5 in here, and I got to go get another stake for this one. And these will get staked as they grow. In this little planter, I have peas. They haven't sprouted yet. All right, and in this box, this is my first of the tomato boxes, we have 2 Romas, and then I have a purple Cherokee. Pretty excited about that one. And then I have planted it with some pesto party basil. In my second tomato box, I have 2 San Marzanos, and I have a Mr. Stripey tomato. And then back here, I have a different basil. I can't remember what it is offhand, but it's not the same type as we have in the first box. In our double decker box here, I planted an assortment of mini pumpkins. So these could be everything from little boos, some little variegated, some little baby orange ones. We'll see, but these have not quite sprouted yet. I'm hoping in the next couple days we'll see some pop out of the ground. In our last raised bed out here, I have 2 jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, and I'm hoping that these will be able to just sprawl all over out of the box and onto the ground even, and I'll probably trellis a little bit too, but I'm excited to see what these produce. And lastly, in our self-watering planter, I have peppers. So we have Baron and Orange Blaze, Purple Beauty, and Yellow. So this is our 2026 garden. And I know it looks a little yucky around the boxes, but that's because we're getting ready to do some massive weeding and we're going to lay some rubber mulch. But after my father-in-law passed away last year, we didn't do a garden, and it was kind of like Battle of the Weeds when we came back out here. So here we are, and we'll give you updates as the season goes on.